In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Animoto into your WordPress site, and we'll accomplish this in just about 5 minutes. If you're looking to showcase visually stunning video content on your website, integrating Animoto is a fantastic way to do just that. So, let's get started and seamlessly bring your videos into WordPress. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that. Find and click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top corner of the page, which will prompt you to access your account. It's always a little easier and quicker to streamline your login options by clicking on Continue with Google if you have your WordPress account linked to Google. This way there's no need to remember another set of credentials. Once you've clicked that, simply choose your Google account. This will automatically log you into your WordPress site. With that taken care of, you're ready to dive into the editing process. Look to the right panel of your dashboard under the section titled Quick Links and click on Edit Site. This is the gateway to making all sorts of customizations to your WordPress setup. With the site editor open, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the Add button. This is your toolkit for adding different types of content blocks to your site. Click on it and in the search bar type in Animoto. After this, you'll see the option for Animoto Embed. Clicking on this enables you to add a block specifically designed for embedding Animoto videos. Now, as you locate and select the Animoto Embed option, you're all set to bring in your multimedia content. It's a simple process, and this effectively inserts a placeholder into your post or page where the Animoto video will appear. Often, embedding integrations require you to have an embed link or code from the original video source. Make sure you're equipped with the embed code from the Animoto platform, which you can usually find in your Animoto video settings. Once that's in place, you'll just need to paste the link or code from Animoto into the designated area of your new Animoto embed block. Following this, your video should readily display on your page or post once you publish or update your site. And there you have it. Your Animoto video is now embedded into your WordPress website. Be sure to preview your changes, ensuring the video appears and plays as expected, providing a polished touch to your web presence. Thanks for tuning into this quick and easy guide, and enjoy the newfound visual dynamism that Animoto adds to your WordPress site.